Hey guys, welcome back to Crocheted by Marley. Sorry for the really bad lighting. I'm filming this at like 9 o'clock at night, but I just had to hop on here and share my new favorite project, my new obsession, which is these crochet beanie hats. I always saw like tutorials for beanies and stuff, but always like put them in like the watch for later, like I'll do that at a different time. Let me tell you, this is super simple to make and adorable. I think I've made 4 now, and I just wanted to hop on here and share them with you guys. Side note, do you love my sweatshirt? I'm in an LA mood. I don't want to talk to you. Satellite? Anybody get it? If you get it, let me know in the comments. We could be best friends. But yeah, so this is the one I literally just finished. I used a green ombre yarn that I originally bought for a different project, but kind of dropped that project, so I have like a ton of this yarn. So I made a beanie with it, and it's pretty cute. And then yesterday I made this beautiful pink ombre. Again, I bought this yarn because I thought it was pretty and had like no use for it. And then I was looking at it last night, and I was like, you know what? You're becoming a hat. So, and I have a ton left over. Like these hats don't take a ton of yarn. I would say if you have like a skein of like 100 grams, it probably like takes up like 80 grams. I'm not 100% sure, but I feel like I always have left over. I also made a gray one. I'll input a picture of it here. I made that one for my boyfriend for our anniversary. I gave it to him early because it was just too cute not to give it to him. I love it. He looks great in it. But the first one I made, I used a different technique than just a solid one yarn, whether the yarn was solid or ombre. And I just did like a scrap yarn beanie. So basically I had these 4 colors that were all scrap yarn. And as you can see, I would like start a different color randomly. And it just comes out to be this really cute, like chaotic looking hat. You're gonna look at me and you're gonna tell me this isn't a beautiful color combo. I love this hat. But yeah, so my plan with the hats, because I'm super obsessed with making them right now, is I'm gonna open an Etsy and just focus on different beanies. I actually went to Michael's tonight and got some more ombre yarn, and I'm gonna make like a rainbow hat and then like a pastel rainbow hat. Like I am 100% into this right now. If you don't know how to make a beanie, I would love to make a tutorial if that interests you guys, but there are a million tutorials already on YouTube, which will probably explain it a lot better than me. But that's kind of my current obsession, whether it be a yarn busting project. As you can see, I have a ton of yarn. There's yarn all around this room. I'll probably make a ton of these hats and still have way too much yarn, but it's a great project to just like especially if you want to make something like this, if you just have like a bunch of random scrap yarn laying around, this is the way to go. This is adorable. This will turn heads and you will be the cutest person in the room. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys my favorite project right now with these hats. I just like, they're perfect. It's freezing outside. I want to make a million of these for myself and then a million to sell. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Comment down below which hat was your favorite. Just a reminder, we have the green ombre, the 4-color chaos hat. We'll call this one the chaos hat, and then the ballerina pink ombre hat. So comment down below which one was your favorite. If you're interested in making this hat, then I will put the information for the video tutorial I used in the description down below. Sorry for looking trash. I just really wanted to hop on here and show you guys these hats. I'm really excited about them. But thanks again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment your favorite hat down below. Whether or not you want to do this project, what colors you would choose if you were to make a hat. Just let me know everything. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!